the Global Green Growth Institute, working with developing countries to achieve poverty reduction and inclusive, sustainable economic growth. The United Arab Emirates has become one of the Middle East's most important economic hubs in recent years. Its fast pace of growth has been supported by revenues from oil and gas, but the country has also reinvested in economic diversification to prepare for the post-oil world.
There are many economic opportunities inherent in clean technologies and green growth policies, as well as we are keen in realizing these opportunities. Therefore, the transition to a green economy makes sense, and it is an essential pathway for countries like the UAE.
To this end, the government is betting on green growth by developing strategies that reduce environmental impact, protect biodiversity and ecosystems, and improve climate resilience. The UAE launched a national long-term initiative to make the country an international leader in sustainable development, green economy, and technologies.
Sustainable development has been the core in our current leadership vision and strategy for development. The UAE has been pioneering with efforts related to sustainability globally.
The government is designing energy-efficient public buildings, revolutionizing public transportation, and introducing more recycling systems in urban areas. The Global Green Growth Institute, GGGI, has been working with the UAE's government to promote green growth and sustainable development since 2011. GGGI supported the development of the National Green Growth Strategy, approved by the government for implementation in 2015.
GGGI, together with a number of the national stakeholders led by Ministry of Climate Change and Environment, together developed this National Green Growth Strategy, which comprehensively covers all major sectors of the UAE, including energy sector, and transforming all these sectors into green sectors.
The GGI was instrumental in performing analytical studies as well as organizing consultations workshops with multiple stakeholders, locally and internationally. This process required an in-depth understanding of the UAE's circumstances and a solid strategic outlook, which the GGI's expertise and local presence were able to provide.
The UAE's Green Growth Strategy aims to realise green life among residents through building green cities and smart communities that use the country's resources in a sustainable manner.
By reducing the water usage, by increasing the recycled garbage, by reducing the carbon emissions, by increasing the plantations, by increasing the green areas, by shifting the transportation from fossil fuel transportation modes towards electrical and carbon-free.
Renewable energy sources can help reduce the country's dependence on fossil fuels and lower carbon emissions. Masdar City is a primary example of this principle. Powered by renewable energy and sustainable mobility, the city has achieved impressively low levels of greenhouse gas emissions.
Masdar City aspires to be one of the most sustainable cities in the world. Masdar City is creating the highest quality of life for its residents and visitors with the lowest impact on the environment and the minimum carbon footprint.
The Dubai Sustainable City is being brought to life. It will be the first totally sustainable residential community in Dubai. This innovative city has many features that minimize its environmental impact while improving quality of life.
The sustainable city is unique in this part of the world because it is the first net zero energy development, which means that we produce enough energy to offset the entire consumption. We also have a buffer zone to improve the microclimate. We have a certain orientation of the city to avoid the sun and to maximize the shade. And then we have a farm which runs the length of the city.
The benefits from living in the city range from the environmental to the economic.
Everything is recycled, everything is clean, everything is cheap. As for bills here, it's very convenient for us.
In order to spread these benefits globally, the UAE is working with GGGI to share its knowledge and efforts to help other countries transition towards a promising, sustainable future.
In Dubai, we have the metro service, the Dubai Metro, we have the buses, we have taxis. I did use the Dubai Metro for quite a while, and it's actually quite easy because it goes everywhere. I think Dubai really puts in an effort to make sure that things stay green, that we do use sustainable energy in every way possible.
We have a whole dimension about research and development, where we team up with many universities around the world, and we pursue studies and research related to the built environment and sustainability.
In support of this future, the Global Green Growth Institute is also contributing to the development of a national climate change plan.
The current phase of GGGI project will be completed by the end of 2016 with development of National Climate Change Plan, which is a comprehensive climate action plan blueprint for the country.
The country's focus on sustainability will have economic, social and environmental benefits.
Having green growth in the United Arab Emirates and diverting towards a green economy is to provide quality of life, sustainability, security for the people of the United Arab Emirates.
Cleaner transport and cooling systems mean less pollution and better health. Energy efficiency can help reduce production costs, while low-carbon technologies and green products and services can open up new sources of jobs and help economic diversification. The UAE's green growth represents innovation and the country's future.
Going forward, the GGI is uniquely placed to play a significant role in the implementation of both the UAE Green Growth Agenda as well as the National Climate Change Plan. And we look forward to our continued cooperation with the GGI and with our international partners.
GGGI is very proud of partnering with the UAE in achieving its green growth ambition.
The United Arab Emirates, with the support of GGGI, are setting a positive example that can be followed around the world.